Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorials. So in this video I'll be going to show you how to sense the case of text in Microsoft Excel. So in the Microsoft Word we can easily sense the case of text from small letter from lowercase to uppercase by selecting the text and clicking on this option, and here you can select the sentence case, uppercase to lowercase or capitalize each word. We can do it easily in Microsoft Word, but this option is not available in the Microsoft Excel. So you will not find these options in the toolbar. So if I want to sense the case of the text from lowercase to uppercase, so what you need to do is, so here I have in the column A I have some text. So to make it uppercase, just click on the empty cell and type here equal to and type UPPER and a bracket start and click on the text and bracket close and enter. And in this way you can easily convert from lowercase to uppercase. So to make the rest of the word into the uppercase, just copy this formula by simply dragging it to next cell like this. So I have converted this cell A, column A, from lowercase to uppercase, so I don't want this column anymore. So if I want to delete this, so you can see here it's not deleting. After deleting it's showing error. So to replace this text from lowercase to uppercase, what you need to do is just select the text and right click on it, copy, and here click on paste special, and now select values and click OK. Now you can delete this column. So I have converted the text from lowercase into uppercase. So now if you want to convert this text again into lowercase, then again type this command into the empty cell, type instead of upper, type now lower, LOWER, and bracket and select the text and bracket close like this, and copy all the formulas into the respective cells. Now if I want to sense the text case of the text from lowercase into the sentence case, like in each of, now if you want to make the beginning of the each of the word into the capital letter, then you type here equal to proper PROPER, again bracket and select and bracket close. Now you can see here it's now sends the beginning of the letter into uppercase and the rest of the text into the small letter. So in this way you can easily sense the case of text from uppercase to lowercase, or from lowercase to uppercase, or from uppercase to sentence case in Microsoft Excel. So if you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. And thanks for watching my